Hey you guys, in this video we're going to draw a funny carrot. I hope you're going to follow along with me. Let's get started. Before we start drawing, I want to show you a quick preview of how our carrot turned out at the very end. I hope you're excited to follow along with me. I also want to remind you that you don't have to make your drawing look exactly like mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice, and I also want to challenge you to change your drawings. You could change the funny face or even pause the video and take more time to add things in the background. I'm using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. Let's first draw our carrot's funny face. I'm going to draw the mouth right here in the middle, but towards the top so that we have room for the body or the whole carrot. Then I'm going to draw a line coming around the left side into the right side, and it looks like a jelly bean. That's for the mouth. We're going to draw it really open. And then I'm going to draw teeth in the top. And you could change your funny face. You don't have to draw it the same as me. Okay, now I got a tongue, and then let's color in the back of the mouth. That part I sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and a matching circle for the other eye. And then we can draw the highlight or the little shiny reflection in the eyes. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now we're ready to draw the carrot. Let's draw the bottom of our carrot first. So I'm going to start over here on the left side of the eye, and we're going to draw it curving down to the bottom. And then we're going to curve back up and to the right. Now I came a little more to the right side, but you could come straight down if you want. You could also draw it really curved and make it look like your carrot's jumping. We can draw the top next, and then we're going to draw a really kind of flat top to the carrot. There we go. I've got this carrot shape. Kind of looks like an upside down triangle. Then we can also draw the top of the carrot, the hair for our funny carrot. I'm going to start here and draw a curve coming out to the left, and then we can also draw a curve coming out to the right. And then we're going to curve around up here at the top, down, and then I'm going to curve back up to the other side. We can add more of these to make it look like our carrot has more hair. So I'm going to curve out here, and we'll curve back in, and then maybe another one that's curving down further. And then one more little one. And then this one I'm going to curve in and get kind of close to the center. All right, let's do the same thing on the other side. Maybe we won't add as much or as many of these little spikes. We'll just do 2 on this side. You could add more if you want to give your carrot more hair. But I think we should leave it just like this, except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match my same coloring. We're just going to use orange and green. All right, let's speed things up. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our funny carrot, and it turned out awesome, all colored in. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. I also added little texture lines and a little shadow down here at the bottom to make it look like my carrot's floating. You can add other things to your drawing, like a background or maybe even more vegetable friends. That would really complete your drawing. You could also color your drawing solid, but I added darker orange on the side to add some shading, and also darker green on top of the lighter green to give shadows on the hair or the top of the carrot. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing a funny carrot. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.